Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use Uphex in 2025 step by step, no fluff. So if you're ready to launch better and campaigns and save time, stick around till the end. Let's dive in. First things first, open Uphex and set up your account. Once you're in, head over to the My Client section. Here create your first client by entering the business name, simple as that. Next, go to the integration step. Now connect your Facebook and Google ad accounts. Just log in and you're good to go. Alright, now it's time to head to the templates section. Click on template library and you'll see categories like health, real estate or professional service. Choose the one that best matches in your business type. Once you find a template you like, click on details and then hit import. Now edit the template, update the text, change the media and customize it however you want. Once you're done, launch a new campaign. You can choose between Facebook or Google Ads. Select your customized template, connect the necessary ad account, and you're ready to run your campaign. Now for the final part, tracking your results, go to the metrics section and check your ad performance. You'll be able to track leads, monitor campaign states, and make improvements as needed. And that is it. That's how you use Uphex in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Catch you in the next one.